In front of me is Vivo V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select Users and Accounts. Now click on Google on the left and select Google Password Manager. Following that, you can click on Settings at the bottom left corner and only disable Offer to Save Password to don't get any pop-ups when you log in to any app. Or go back and use the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to disable it completely or activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!